Okay, we're asked to find the fourth term of this binomial expression. So we are going to still use combination method. In case if you've not seen my video on explaining combination method, please try and watch it, but I'll still touch on it now. So they asked us to find the fourth term. So remember our combination formula, which is combination n r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial multiplied by what? Multiplied by r factorial. So this is just the formula we are using here. So how do we solve this type of question? They ask us to find the fourth term. So the first thing you are going to do is you must find the binomial coefficient or the coefficient of the binomial. So now n is our power, and our power here is what? Is 8. Okay? And r is the number of terms they ask us to find minus 1. So we have r equals, they say fourth, 4 minus 1, which is 3. Okay? So we substitute this into the combination formula. So we have C, n is 8 by 3 equals n, which is 8 factorial, over 8 minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial. So here we can simplify this to be 8 factorial to be equals to 8 minus 3 is going to give you 5 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. Okay? So we can still simplify this further, and this can be, we can say 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. So what we are going to do is, this 5 factorial will cancel 5 factorial. 8 times 7 is 56. 56 times 6 is 336. So we have 336 over 3 factorial is 6. Okay, so when you divide them, you get 56. Okay, so that is the coefficient of the binomial. So now let's talk about the terms themselves. So remember, if you watch my previous video, I always tell you that this part of the combination is your B part. Okay, so let's say this is A and this is B. So this is your B part. So what do? You now say 56 multiplied by, our A part is 2x, then also multiply by our B part, which is 4y. Okay, so this 3 is for our B part, which is 4y cubed. Now, what will now be our A part? If you can know it, of course, you just subtract 3 from 8, because 8 is here, we subtract this 3 from it, which is 5. So we have 56 multiplied by 2 power 5 is 32. 32x power 5, right? Multiplied by 4 power 3 is 64. Then we now have y cubed. Okay, so when you multiply this out, you have 114,688 x power 5 y cubed, and that is it. So the fourth term of this, let me write it here: 2x plus 4y power 8. So the fourth term, let's say the fourth term is this answer: 688 x power 5 y cubed, and that is how to solve it.